and we'll be talking about that. In fact, your name should be in the Guinness Book of Record.
Why?
Because Kyeiwaa seems to be the longest movie to the parts. Men say the movie be akuta part 1 out to part 13. Kyeiwaa, yeah, part 1 to part 9.
No, you release it 12, you release it 13.
So part 1 to part 12.
But 13 was 13 but you release it.
What stopped it? Is it that at some point Ghanaians were fed up with Kyeiwaa?
No. There was an issue with it. I think editing. Okay. Editing was the problem. Now, you have a problem with the machines and all that. Just say.
Wow.
Yeah. And,
so you cannot release the part 13?
No.
But is there any movie in the world that Yenya part 1 to part 12? I have not heard of any apart from Kyeiwaa.
Oh, Bebre.
Wow.
Police Academy. You see, I think say Ghana and Kasano kakra me say maybe sometimes it's lack of information and I say ignorance kakra. In cinema uye bibiana say from Ghana you're showing from a negative point.
That's right.
Instead say be showing from a positive point. I met students from NAFTI. Now my studio ho in Newtown. Me were students from NAFTI. Omo pon omo ba me ho omo besua de. One day obako ba no say and we discussed Kyeiwaa and they were making mockery of Kyeiwaa. Say you make films and you make films, like you keep making films, and I was like, wow. More lecturer no our problem kakra, because as a filmmaker, being able to sustain interest in a particular subject for this long, and people are still yearning for more, should be something that every filmmaker should aspire for.
Wow.
Because who could try film now? But if you have a subject that is guaranteeing you the returns, then why should that not? Why don't you rather encourage your students to learn what the person is doing right that is sustaining that interest?
What were you doing right with Kyeiwaa?
We were doing.
It's one of the, in fact, at some point you know that Ghana na obikra nenywa yazen beshebi nenywa yazen na wapeda wakade. Excuse my language this morning. Wapeda wakade obi anyana. They use the word Kyeiwaa.
Yeah.
I don't know if that affected the character Kyeiwaa, you know, and I'm yet to find out from her because up till now people don't even know her real name. Kyeiwaa was it from? But what was the inspiration behind that? That kept on moving, you know.
Well, Kyeiwaa, yeah, set out to do, and Kyeiwaa actually, let me credit the right person that should be credited with Kyeiwaa.
Okay.
My brother, my business partner, my tight. I don't know how to say it, the late.
Your body.
The late Danfubiye.
Okay.
Yes. Okay. Many Danfubiye your partners. You know, yeah, Juma boom, yeah, Bibia boom. Fine. So Kyeiwaa, actually for Danfubiye.
Whoa.
But I worked on it.
You worked on it?
I worked on it because me and we are together.
Whoa.
Now, what we did was the story. And the story, and the story. These are the three things that work for Kyeiwaa.
Wow. It really worked.
Yeah.
It was all over.
You see, if you know, as a filmmaker, techniques. The whole thing is techniques. Programmer, techniques.
That's right.
You see how you started it? And I used to say, and I've said it, the hey you see so. Hey you see so. You see how you started the program? Your name, hey. I create your attention. Okay, let me look more.
That's right.
Yeah.
See what's going to happen again.
Yes, watching
Yeah.
So the awakening scene. But if you start it slow down,
what at all are they going to talk about?
Yeah.
I'm not interested.
Yes.
Kind of,
and we also touch on what is affecting people.
Kyeiwaa did?
Yes. Ubi oshe Kyeiwaa biya no. Udrin say just for abeisem no, and for abeisem. It has more to do with our everyday life, the way we live within our family circles, and the challenges we all face within our circles.
Wow.
Yes, that is what we saw. And then there was another trick.
Okay.
what people also didn't realize, but we did it smartly, was that the story Kyeiwaa also getting to a point, we use other stories that we had already.
Okay.
But we only work on the dynamics now to fit into
the whole Kyeiwaa thing.
The whole Kyeiwaa thing.
Wow.
Something that has happened already.
Yeah.
We pick it, we change it.
That's right. Just to suit the time.
The time.
And it worked for you people.
Yeah.
So far,
in Ghana, lecturer, school. These are the things I made students know. A technique. Look, entertainment business is a technique. Your boss, Ricky.
Mr. Ricky Anoche.
He's done it and he always get it right.
Sure.
Technique.
Sure.
Follow Nejuma various places. Handwriting.
But now no, let's do some Kyeiwaa. Let's do a little bit of the Kyeiwaa thing, and then we come back into the studio and we look at the industry in the days of old, from Nafti to Gamma Films. Now in there, we look at the future as well. I mean, what is changing and how do we make sure that things are right? Let's look at Kyeiwaa briefly. Nayambra Sisia.
Hello. Now then, I'm a preacher book. Here, none of the penny phone book. One must hear more good room. And you show about him about Quakana or 50 and never had no Baba. Kyeiwaa, Mortis, never know that Castle. Unia, Baba, why? Then I will. You know, concern yourself. I saw. Come on, I said, Kyeiwaa, come on, and in a bar, I said, Minia, again, I will. I'm born in German. I get born in wire. I'm in German. I get born in wire. I am born in. Kind, barefoot. Hey, I saw. Sorry, mommy. Woman, oh, I cried with you. Woman, hey, chin and you want some. Hey, Kyeiwaa, I don't have over yard. You're crying. I've been inside. Huh? Oh,